Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a stadium approved bag for carrying all of your essential items, then you are gonna love this one here from KALIDI. This adorable crossbody bag is perfect for all your big events. Whenever I am going to an event like a concert or a sports game, I try to remember to check those bag policies because I have forgotten before and had to throw away my bag on the spot. This bag meets the most common requirements and it is clear, which is a requirement for some places. And either way, that makes it quick and easy to get through security checkpoints. Even though it is compact, it really holds a lot. I can fit everything I need in this 9-inch by 7-inch by 3-inch size. The clear PVC is really strong and durable, and the zipper hardware is also heavy duty. It's easy to zip and unzip for grabbing your items quickly. I love the adjustable shoulder strap, and it even has these rivets on the bottom, which are such a nice touch to protect it from getting wet or dirty if you set it down, and it even stands up on its own. I have found it to be really comfortable to wear, even wearing it for a long time. This one has a brown vegan leather trim, but you can get this in a bunch of different colors. That crossbody design really is perfect for taking to an event, so you can have your hands free and enjoy the show or the game or whatever you're doing. So this bag is cute, it's comfortable, and it fits everything I need and gets me right through security checkpoints, no problem. So I am super happy with this bag, and that's my point of view.